Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a big question. Is $700 are enough to start an e-commerce business in 2025? So the short answer is yes, it is possible, but there is a lot to think about. Let's break it down step by step and see how far $700 can take you. So step number one is your website. In 2025, you have few budget-friendly options like Shopify starts at $29 per month. WooCommerce is free if you have WordPress, but hosting costs apply in BigCommerce. So starts at $39 per month. You will also need a domain name. It will cost you $10 to $50 per year, and SSL certificate. It will cost you $50 to $200 per year. For simple DIY store, it will cost you $300 to $1,000 in first year cost. So with $700, stick to the basic and avoid costly custom development. So step number two is inventory. With $700, dropshipping is your best bet. No need to buy stock upfront. Supplier ships directly to the customer. Low startup cost, $500 to $1,000. So just remember, dropshipping has lower profit margin, so focus on the volume and efficiency. Step number three is marketing. Now marketing in 2025 is very tough and you will need a strategy. Paid ads like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, it starts at $500 to $5,000 per month. Google ad will cost you $1 to $10 per click. So budget friendly strategy for $700 is organic social media growth like TikTok, Instagram Reels, SEO optimization, email marketing like MailChimp start at $20 per month. So these free and low cost strategies will help you to grow without breaking the bank. Step number four is shipping. Shipping is another major factor. Dropshipping, no upfront costs, so supplier handles it, but for self-fulfillment it will cost you $5 to $20 per order. But for the $700 dropshipping, the smarter choice to minimize shipping expenses and focus on marketing. So step number five is miscellaneous costs. So other costs you might need to consider is business registration. It will cost you $100 to $500, and accounting inventory tools will cost you $10 to $50 per month. But with the $700, prioritize essentials and reinvest profits as you scale. So cut to the chase, you can start an e-commerce business with $700 in 2025 is yes, but you need to be smart. Stick to the dropshipping, use budget-friendly platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, focus on low-cost marketing strategies. $700 won't build a large-scale operation, but it is enough to test your idea, build your brand, and start generating sales. So as your business grows, reinvest the profit to scale up. So if you found this video helpful, give a thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment if you have any questions or you want to share your e-commerce journey with us. Just share it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.